Ooh, it's a cold day here today. Welcome back to Bodacious Bass. Don't listen to me having a whinge. Let's get right into today's handy hint. We've all experienced this before. You get a brand new piece of tape, you've only had it a month and you can't get it started because all the moisture's got to it. It's just no good. It's not good for anything anymore. Well, there is a solution. And it comes in the form of a pill bottle. And no, it's not Viagra and it's not Valium. It is a silica gel sachet. So what we do is now when we store our tapes, we get ourselves a little plastic Ziploc bag. We put the tape into the Ziploc bag, drop the silica gel in, problem solved. Thanks for being here.